Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today, the experiment that we are going to perform is detection of the coloring compound in a milk. And today, the coloring compound that we are going to discuss is a metanil yellow. Okay, so why the supplier, why the manufacturer are added this metanil yellow into our milk? The answer is very simple. To enhance its color, to enhance the color of the milk, the supplier added the metanil yellow into a milk. Okay, now what is this artificial color? Because this metanil yellow are considered as a artificial color. So we all know that the color of the food occur due to two reasons: either the natural color of that food product, or sometimes chemicals are added into the product so that the color are developed. When chemicals are added into the product, then that chemical are considered as a artificial color. Okay, so we can say that artificial color are man-made. Okay, and they are added in the form of chemical. The reason behind the addition of this artificial color into a food product is only to enhance its color, and it can attract by the consumer. Okay, so this metanil yellow are also added for the enhancement of the yellow color in a milk. Then after that, come to the next thing, that is what is the side effect of the adding of this metanil yellow in a milk. Okay, when a metanil yellow are added into a food product, so here we talk about the milk as a food product, then it will cause a serious health effect. It cause a oxidative stress, organ damage. Sometimes it also causes a gastrointestinal problem like gastrointestinal irritation, diarrhea, vomiting. Food does not digest inside the body. If it is digested, then it cannot absorb by the body because our intestinal tract become weak for performing this work. And it also it also cause a neurological damage. See, that's why it is very important to detect this metanil yellow into a milk. So for performing this experiment, we required this type of setup. First of all, we required a milk. Milk for what? Milk as a sample, because we are performing our experiment in a milk. Then we required a one beaker for performing the experiment. Then we required a hydrochloric acid, and we required this one diethyl ether. Okay, after diethyl ether, we required a micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml. We also required a micropipette tip, dropper, and a measuring cylinder for the measuring of that reagent or the sample. So for performing this experiment, what we have to do, we take a 10 ml sample with the help of this measuring cylinder. Then we add a diethyl ether 10 ml. If see, the volume of the milk and the volume of the diethyl ether will be same. If you take a 20 ml, then you have to take a 20 ml of diethyl ether. So here I take 10 ml of the milk sample and 10 ml of the diethyl ether and mix it properly. After that, I am going to add a concentrated HCl 2 drop. Now, when we add a concentrated HCl up, if the metanil yellow are present, then our sample turn a pink color, which indicate that the presence of this metanil yellow. If our sample does not change its color to the pink, then our sample does not contain any metanil yellow. Now, when we are handling this concentrated HCl, so we have to take extra care, because this concentrated HCl are what they are corrosive in nature. Okay, so we have to avoid it to come in contact with this concentrated HCl does not come in contact with our skin, our eyes, or our clothes. Otherwise, it will if it is absorbed by our skin, then it will damage the skin, it will burn the skin, and also cause a irritation. And if it come in contact with our eyes, then it will damage our eyes. So we have, when we are handling this concentrated HCl, we have to wear a proper gloves and proper mask. We don't allow to even inhale the vapor of this concentrated HCl. We have to avoid it. Now let's start the experiment. First of all, we have to take a 10 ml of the sample with the help of this measuring cylinder. Now transfer it into the another beaker. Now take diethyl ether 10 ml. Again, when we are using this type of chemical, we have to take extra care. Either you are using diethyl ether or either you are using the concentrated HCl. Take 10 ml. Now mix it properly. Then after that, we have to add a 2 drop of concentrated HCl. If our sample contain metanil yellow, then it turn pink color. Now mix it properly. See that the sample does not turn pink color, which indicate that the sample are our sample does not contain any traces of this metanil yellow. So this is all about the detection of the metanil yellow in a milk. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you can freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.